Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J empowered by Magic Needles. Yesterday we saw the traditional granny square and today we're going to see the granny triangle. The granny stitch is basically the set of 3 double crochets work together. And this not work together in the sense they are placed together as a group. It's a 3 double crochet group worked at definite intervals, and you can create wonderful designs and patterns with this method. It is worked in the round generally, and it is also worked row by row after row as per the requirement of the pattern. Today we are going to learn how to make this triangle, as well as I will give you the method how to go about making various geometrical shapes. Okay, so you can make a pentagon, you can make a hexagon, you can make an octagon, septagon, nanogon, whatever, decagon. It all depends on how many sets of 3 double crochets and chain spaces you take in the center. So that is what is going to play the major role, and so many corners you have to create. So for hexagon I have 6 corners. For a triangle I have 3 corners. For a pentagon I will be having 5 corners. So 5 sets you have to take. For a square we took 4 sets. So let us see how to go about this. Again, I'm using the same baby peach color Hobby Store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn with 2027 color code, and this day I'm going to use a 6 mm H size hook. So to begin with, make a magic ring. So magic ring, simply you can make crossover. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let me make a little bigger one because secured it. Now either chain 3 or a standing double crochet. Again 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 3, three double crochet. Sorry for the disturbance friends, some work is going on in the neighboring house. Chain 3, close the ring. You not close it very tight, just enough. Give a small eyelet in the center. Chain 1 and yarn over and do a half double crochet in the first stitch or the third chain of the first 3 chain. So here this will bring you to the middle of the chain space, the corner. So we have 3 corners, 1, 2, 3 corners. So either chain 3 or make a standing double crochet again. 2 double crochets over the HDC. Now to go to the next corner, I'm going to make chain 2 instead of chain 1. I found that comfortable for the triangle because it was settling down properly as a flat triangle. So every corner it's chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. And to go over to the next chain space, chain 2. Again here 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Just for demonstration, I'm using this thick yarn and a thicker size hook. Okay, so we have come to the first corner. To go to this corner again, we need to chain 2, make chain 2 and 3 double crochets in that first chain space. This, since I have done the double crochet here, it may appear little shorter, but once you finish the stitch there, it becomes all right. Chain 1 and here you pick up the correct V. So you come to the center of the corner. So we have 3 corners here, 1, 2 and 3, and here henceforth we'll be placing 3 double crochets in the sides also. So now we have done the first round, second round is over. Now we're going to go to the third round. It's the same that we did in the square. Only thing is here we are having 3 corners instead of 4. That's the only difference. And instead of chain 1 space between the sets of 3 double crochets on the sides and the corner and the side one, we are going to make chain 2 and go to the space there. Here 3 double crochets. And before you go to the corner also, make 2 double crochet here. Sorry, 2 chain and 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. Yarn and the hook both are so smooth that it comes out often, but it's very wonderful to work with the clover hooks. Now again we are working the side. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in that under the chain 2 space. If you feel this gap is too big, you can go with chain 1 space in between the sets of 3 DCs, and only in the corners it is a must that you make 3 chains between the sets 1 and 2. Granny squares grow fast and you will love to work with them. With several sets of granny squares you can make lovely wearables and other projects. So chain 2 again. Chain 2 and we have come to the first corner where we began. Chain 1, so this is the first DC, second DC, third DC. So the first DC we are doing, working over here. Yeah, so this is how it will appear. So round after round it is the same. The corners you need to make 2 sets of 3 DC groups separated by 3 chains, and else in all the other spaces on the sides under chain 2 spaces you make 3 DC sets, and it will grow in the triangle. And if you take up 6 in the center, 6 sets, you will get a hexagon. So I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you take 5, you will get pentagon. If you take 7, heptagon. If you take 8, octagon. And this hexagon is a very versatile thing because any hexagon pattern can be converted into a wearable. Okay, yeah. See, this will become the front, there will be the other side, this will become the hand portion. And here you need to sew, and then you have the neck portion. This can be converted into a jacket and a wearable. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload new videos. Thank you guys. Bye for now.